Hey guys, how are you? Good afternoon. I am so excited about this little cute adorable box that has showed up at my door today. It is the SFR 2020 box. This is what we normally get in our mailbox via UPS. It shows up and gives us these little beautiful boxes that so happen to come when we when we register for a Scentsy family reunion. So I'm super excited about this. This is a happy moment. I miss all of my Scentsy family, everybody, all of my Scentsy brothers and sisters that I normally would see during this time of year. So I am just like feeling a certain type of way right now because I'm not able to see you guys and hug you guys and love on you guys and just be there in the moment like we normally do when we see each other at Scentsy family reunion. So this box put a happy smile on my face, and it made me think of all of my Scentsy brothers and sisters that I normally would see and reunite with on a regular basis. So guys, this box is super cute. It says SFR Home Scentsy. You see the perspective. This is the theme this year. Last year it was no limit. Love that song. Last year was no limit. And this year is perspective. And then you got Scentsy Family Reunion Home. And then on the box it says 2020. But let me show you what's inside of it, guys. So if you have not gotten your box yet, I'm sorry. I want to show this. I'm excited. So I love this. Look, it's going to be some secret messages because we're doing SFR virtual this year instead of meeting in person because of COVID-19. We'll be doing virtual. So I registered. I got this box. This box is super cute. But what's so amazing about this box, guys, look at this. Do you recognize anybody in here that you have seen before at Scentsy Family Reunion? When I tell you guys, these reunions are so fun. You see all the faces of excitement and just laughter and happiness. And I just miss all of these faces. So if you know anybody or recognize anybody in here, on here, I'm like, look at all of these people. I'm going to get closer to see if you can see that person. You can see those people. And then there's more people here and more people here. And I just thought this was so super cute, guys. So then when you go in here, you take the little glass. It has a little tape that they've added, some kind of adhesive here. So bear it with me. So yeah, these are the glasses. And then once you open it up, as you could see, opening up, and look how cool, guys, this is. It's a holographic. This is like your badge. So I think it's so cute. And it, like on the back, we normally put our names and stuff on here when we're at the reunion. So I thought that was so cute. And then here, these are your little labels. I graduated boot camp, director boot camp. So you get a chance to go to director boot camp when you become a director. So they sent me my badges. So I've graduated from boot camp. And there's other badges in here. Like I graduated from accelerated leadership and all of that fun stuff. Trip earner, qualified trip earner. If you taught any trainings, that kind of thing, they have that in there. And look how cute this little notebook is, guys. I'm just going to pull this stuff out here so you can see. But look how awesome this is, guys. This is so cute. And hey, everybody who's watching, I miss you all. But look how awesome this book is. They have so many amazing things in here that you can write on. So this is a notebook. I love this notebook. Out of all the notebooks we've ever received, I think this is like my favorite from SFR. And then, you have some confetti here. You have your badge thingy. And then I got a t-shirt, guys, which is so awesome. So we were able to register. So I just want to show you guys this because this is so awesome. So thank you, Scentsy. Thank you, my Scentsy brothers and sisters, for sharing this journey with me. I love you all. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And great job on rocking your Scentsy business. Talk to you later. Hope you all are having a wonderful day. Love you all. Miss you all. Can't wait to love and hug on you in person. Have a good day, guys. Talk to you soon. Scentsy Spirit. Woo!